Hello, how are you? I hope you're safe and sound. Today, we're gonna be making buffalo chicken pizza. Now, I'm not a braggy kind of guy, as you know, but I am the certified wing king, and you could check the tapes on that, bruh.
Your date glazed chicken wings have earned you a date with destiny, and you're moving on to the finale. How does that feel? Yeah. Amazing, right? Congratulations.
Thank you. I thought it'd be fun to take buffalo wings, put them on pizza. I've actually never had this before. Like I said, I'm a pizza purist. Cheese, pepperoni, that's it. Super, super simple. I already have my dough set up, and this recipe, I'll link it below the video. I'll put right here. This is my favorite dough recipe. I love doing it at home because it tastes like you're eating at the pizza parlor. La pizza parlor. La pizza parlor. What I've done so far is that I've made this beautiful, beautiful buffalo sauce, and that was just Frank's Red Hot, because we put that shit on everything. Butter, some garlic powder, and a little bit of pepper. Put that on a medium-low heat, and then I actually hit it with an emulsion blender, so it gives this kind of creamy texture. Our buffalo chicken we put in the slow cooker because we can just set it and forget it. How easy is that? So we put that in the slow cooker for like 6 hours, pulled it, shredded it, bang bang. So we're ready to go, right? We are ready to go. What kind of cheese are we gonna put on this? I know. We're gonna do 2 cheeses. We've got a Monterey Jack and our crumbled bleu cheese. La cordon bleu. La cordon bleu. Oh oui oui. So, like I said, our pizza's been setting up. We've given it one last opportunity to rise. You rise me up when I was not on mountains. You rise me up so I can walk on water. Something like that. Also, don't drink Coke Zero, kids. It's bad for you. Unless Coke Zero wants to, partner up here, then drink lots of Coke Zero. Drink it every day. Drink 3 to 6 cans a day, like me. I have a problem. Hi, my name's Steven, and I'm a Coca-holic. Coca-Cola-holic. 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 Hello, my name is Steven. I'm a Coca-Cola-holic. All right, so let's get into this bad boy. Oh! Whoa. Oh, by the way, our oven's set to 550. It's been screaming hot for about 30 minutes. It preheated, ding, and then we wait 30 minutes. Patience. We want this screaming hot. We want it to retain its heat. And my rack is set to the lowest rack. Yours might be different. Again, this is just something you're gonna have to play around with. So, how do we set up our pizza? Well, first, let's take some of this buffalo sauce, and it is super creamy. See that? We like that. Down goes the Bilo sauce. And you don't want to overdo it here because it is, it's a little spicy. It's actually probably a medium heat. I put in like a stick of butter to calm the heat down. Oh, that is B-E-A beautiful. Alrighty then. This is like the simplest pizza you'll ever make. We've got our Monterey Jack here. Let's spread that around. Want it pretty. You eat with your eyes first. I love buffalo wings. I think if I was on death row and they asked me, what would your last meal be? I'm telling you right now, bro, it would be buffalo wings. Hot, all flats. I like them fried, and then I like them hit on the grill. Extra side of hot sauce, and I'm a happy man. All right, feel good about that. Now, let's hit it with a little blue. I'm blue, da boom dee da boom da, bo da dum dee da boom die, da boom dee da boom die. Listen up, here's a story about a little boy who was so blue, and everything in his life was so blue, and he had no one to listen to. Dude, this is pretty. Let's do our chicken. Don't be afraid to put as much chicken as your little heart desires here. Load this bad boy up. Don't be shy. I have enough chicken here for like 17 pizzas. This is exciting. We're trying something new. What's something new that you've tried recently? More time with the kids? More time with the wife or husband? When this is over, you'll spend more time with that lawyer? Okay, thank you, Mr. Chicken. You did your job. You did a good job. You did your best. Wash our hands. Oof, kids. Oof. This is pretty. It's very orange, but don't worry, we're gonna dress her up when she gets out of the oven. Cinderella will be ready for the ball. So now we're gonna pop it in our oven at 550 degrees on the lowest rack. Your oven may be different. It may be different. But remember, we're gonna watch it. We're not gonna take our eyes off of it because it might take less time. It might need a little bit more, you know? Not every pizza's the same, just like not every person's the same. And that's okay. Our differences are what makes us unique and special. And you're special. All right, so in the oven she goes, and we sing our favorite song. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes again. All right, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, everybody! Bang, flashback, jump cut.
Okay, 15 minutes, everybody!
Thank you, brother.
Let's get ready to dress her up for her big day. And her big day involves going into people's mouths. But that's okay. She's providing life and sustenance. How are we gonna do that, you ask? Well, great question. We're gonna use ranch, a little ranch to calm down the heat. And we're gonna put it in this piping bag. I need to order squirt bottles, but apparently they're not essential items, so I can't get them right now. But we improvise. Bang. This'll serve as our squirt bottle. And then it wouldn't be buffalo chicken pizza without a little greenery. And that consists of celery, but not celery stalks, people. We want the leaves. They have a ton of celery flavor. They taste exactly like celery, obviously. They come from celery. So stupid. So let's pick off the leaves here. No one eats the leaves anyways. You wouldn't think that there's a bunch of celery flavor on here, but there is. Flashback, jump cut. I did this in Worst Cooks. I think I did. Yeah, when I made buffalo chicken, what was it, deviled eggs?
I made a buffalo chicken deviled eggs.
So, my friend, you had plenty of time.
Yeah.
All three of your colleagues today made a snack and made a drink, right? And you were like brushing on the hot sauce on the chicken skin like you had all the time in the world.
Yeah.
But I gotta tell you, this egg is perfect.
I feel like the buffalo chicken skin could have a little bit more hot sauce.
Sure.
But it's delicious and it's very pretty. But I'm like really thirsty.
You didn't finish. It was half of what we asked you to do.
I hate deviled eggs. I didn't eat those. Tyler said they were good. I had the best ones. I didn't finish my drink in time because I threw mine out for whatever reason.
I shake it up. It tastes great. It tastes like a margarita. Then I throw it out. I don't even know why I poured it out. There's no explanation for that.
Who knows? Who knows why we do the things we do? Thank you, Mr. Celery, for doing your job. Give our pizza a peek. This looks killer. Let's check her undercarriage before we pull her. Yeet, Santa, yeet! Holy hell. Check this bad boy out, y'all. Look at that, though. So let's plate her over here. Holy crap. Look at that. Now, we're gonna give her a sprinkling of our ranch here. like that. And then our celery leaves. You wanna take your time with this, you know? You want it to look pretty. We eat with our eyes, and I gotta tell you, this looks, that's my timer. See, that's my timer for 15 minutes, but it didn't take 15 minutes. I kept my eye on it. It only took about 12. Bang. Happy? We happy with that? I sure am. Crispy still. Bang. Then we'll go straight down the middle. Holla back, girl. Now let's get it up on here to preserve the crispiness. Just keeps wanting to run away from me. Look at that. Now, obviously, we give it a taste. Look at the crust under there. Here we go. Yeah. Absolutely fantastic. Look at this crust. Guys, I'm telling you, this crust is the best crust you can make at home. Absolutely wonderful. Celery leaf. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you do this at home, because it's absolutely delicious, and I'd love to hear from you. So stay safe, stay sane. Mwah.